We made it. I can't even believe we're here. So we've rented an Airbnb, but we are on the 6th floor. So it's gonna be an adventure with these. We'll do it. Thank you. Merci. Merci beaucoup. All right, you guys, I'm gonna give you a little tour through our Airbnb that we're renting for our first jaunt in Paris. It's so pretty. And we just climbed those 6 floors of stairs, so I might be a little bit out of breath. And that's what I was carrying. Had to take the sweater off right away. It's so pretty. It's like how I would want to decorate my house. Here's the little kitchen. Very teeny, but we definitely don't need anything big. And washer, that's gonna be good. So this is our day 1 in Paris. It's just Joseph and I. A lot of people were curious if we were gonna be bringing the kids. No, this is our 10-year anniversary trip and my parents have the kids. So this is our longest time ever being away from them, but so exciting. Especially like, this is our 10-year wedding anniversary, so it's a big one. So doing something international, so exciting. You guys, I can't even get over these buildings. The balconies are gorgeous, and that's just how it is everywhere. It's crazy. Look at all of these back here. And they make them fresh every day. It's amazing. Well guys, I think he likes it. This is the bread with the bacon. Yeah, I've got the croissant right here. Everything's just so flaky and perfect. You guys are not gonna believe what we found. The Eiffel Tower. Okay, we gotta get closer. Closer!
Really quick, I did want to show you guys what their money looks like because I think that's really interesting what like different countries use, bills, how they look. There's like this reflective metal thing on the side of it. So they use euros here. This is 10 euros and a euro is worth more than $1. So like an equivalent would be $1 is like 1.15 euros. So anytime it says like 10 euros, I'm thinking it's like $15 because banks usually charge more to like convert it or on your credit card or whatever. So I'm like rounding up with everything. And then their coins here actually have value. So like this is a 2 euro coin. So that's worth more than $2. And then this one here, a 1 euro coin. Kind of interesting, just how they look different. And then just for kind of like reference, when I went to the little market today, it was 60 cents. So this is a 50-cent coin. It was 60 cents for 4 mandarins, like with the little leaves attached, and a fig, like a fresh fig. So yeah, the coins here actually have value. And this is a little 5-cent guy. Yeah. We are just about to go to a baking class, and I just got done drying my hair. This sink is so small. I love it though. I love how like simple everything is. Just got done doing like some basic makeup, and Joseph has been staging a little photo shoot. You can see all of our bags right here. Are you picking your nose? No, he's not. Anyways, we're gonna do a little photo shoot really quick, and then we're gonna head out for a baking class. I have no idea what we're gonna be making, but I've seen some YouTube videos that she's actually done of her little class, and so I'm excited. I'm gonna bring you guys along, assuming I can. And video went up today, so glad. It's like 2 days late, but the voiceover was all messed up. Anyways, let me show you this really quick too. We have some fresh figs from the market yesterday. If you guys wanna see our actual like first day here, I put that on my Insta stories. So you can check that out if you wanna see the first little bit of our trip. And croissants here are so flaky and amazing. These are actually from this morning. We ran out and got those. But okay, are you ready? You're waiting for me. I'm gonna put you guys right here so you can watch this quick little photo shoot. Good, okay. Well, that may have been an absolute fail. I don't know, we only had like 5 minutes to shoot it. And Joseph's doing a really quick little food shot. I hope we got an Instagram pic for you. We're gonna run out the door, head to the class. Our Airbnb is on the 6th floor. And our class starts in like 14 minutes, I think. And we're like 11 minutes away. Look at that. All right, guys, we're on the scooter. Joseph's driving. We're both on the same scooter. We're on our way to the baking class. We made it. We're making tiramisu pie first. Yeah. At least you're patient enough to wait for it to process. Oh, sweet. Oh, wow. We're making a coffee cream infusion.
You push just two of this, the hanger, and you press a little just to take off the wave and to stick on the circle. Okay? Fix it. Okay? So, just call me, we check together, and after we check together. After, you can take the rest of the dough and you put inside the film, okay? You can reuse it, but you see the texture is not the same.
Yeah.
And you need to rest a little in the
Get it done?
Mm-hmm. Thank you. A little
No pressure.
more faster.
A little faster.
Yes.
Fast.
And stop. You don't want it well. You are like this.
Yeah,
okay?
yeah.
It looks so good.
It does. Y'all look really good.
This is the biscuit.
It's the simple pleasures in life.
That's why I want you to do it.
Voilà.
We told him we want to do the rest of the class in French, so we'll see how we do.
Donc on va prendre l'emporte-pièce, on va appuyer et on va juste tourner légèrement comme ça. Ok?
Okay. Oui.
so quiet in here.
I'm trying really
Concentration.
hard.
You come here, you see, I stay straight, not like this, not like this. I use this side. I come here and come and I cut.
We'll take that one off.
Just like, you see?
Looking good.
Guys, we totally failed. We got our first impressions on Snapchat. But if you want to go see that, make sure you're following, or not Snapchat, INSTASTORIES. Sorry, I'm getting my platforms confused. But if you want to see that, some more of the behind the scenes, more of the vlog, check out our Instagram. You want to try some more?
Yeah. Okay guys, I'm gonna start this vlog because this has been an amazing trip so far. Like yesterday, we rode a bike like all day, but it's actually really fun.
Before we started filming just now, Joseph was saying that he was thinking that he almost regrets that we're gonna leave and go to Italy right after this. But I said, give it a shot. We'll see how we like it. And we are coming back for a little bit, so we'll be back to Paris. But we fly out for Italy tomorrow.
I'm glad we chose to come here.
Me too. So where to now? I know I need to get some hairspray. I've got like flyaways like crazy. Did they not use hairspray here?
I don't know.
Because I've not seen it anywhere. So we made it to, I think it's called Gare de Lyon. Look at this amazing like clock tower. We've got a huge train station here. It's amazing. It's like a museum. And they have a ton of like pictures on display over here too. We need to decide what we're gonna do for dinner because we've got all these sweets. We don't want to make ourselves sick. This city is so pretty at night. It's just like Portland all lit up. Although I don't think we have anything quite that like magnificent, to be fair. So we're trying to pick out what wine we want. I think we're gonna settle on this very peach. But since we've only got one more night here, I don't want to get too much with this cider. Also, it looks so good. I noticed that the alcohol here is not really expensive. Like, was that €2.95? It's kind of crazy. It's like almost, it's like the price of a juice. Actually, that's cheaper than fresh juice.
Yeah, cheaper than a latte at Starbucks.
Oh yeah, it's like half price. I do notice that a lot of people are saying that like it's pretty expensive here. I don't find that it's, I mean, would you say it's expensive? I feel like it's just comparable. It's like Starbucks prices. Like a croissant is like €1, which is like $1.15.
Yeah, but that's not Starbucks prices.
Fresh. Yeah, Starbucks would be like
expensive. You can't
$4 for a croissant, I think. Quick update. So we're heading back to the house and we're gonna drop off our bottle of wine, put it in the fridge. Oh, just made it up the 6 flights. We're gonna go to the bathroom real quick, drop off Joseph's backpack. We got 2 scooters. I don't know if I said that already, but we're gonna ride those to the restaurant. And yeah, that's our update. I'll see you guys when we get to the restaurant. We've made it to dinner. Such a cute place. Lots and lots of people here. And it's loud and there's lots of spaces though, just cozy. But I ordered the trout and then Joseph's got, what did you get? Oh, the sausage with mashed potatoes. And we've got water. Look at these mashed potatoes. It's like cheesy mashed potatoes. It looks like fondue. What does it taste like? Well, he's never had fondue before. Then I got the trout, which looks like salmon. Oh, thank you. Whoa. It's so cheesy.
What's the best sausage I've ever had?
Wow. That's what Joseph got. That's how they put it on the plate. All right, we made it home. We walked part of the way and then decide to hop on these. I figure, I don't know, do you think they'll have them in Italy too? Probably not. It's more of a smaller town situation.
Smaller town?
Bologna. No. He just said smaller town, and I'm like, yeah. And he's like, oh, I thought you meant Paris. No, Paris is not a small town. And here is the place where we're staying. So we are on, can you see it from here? We're on the 6th floor up. And then this is our door to the building. Joseph's got the key. Merci. All right, you guys, we've got our wine and we're back at the apartment, the Airbnb. I'm gonna put my feet up and have some wine with my hubby. Did you get your wine?
Sure did.
Yeah. Should we play a game before go to bed?
I think so.
There we go. Well, you guys, we're gonna end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed coming along with us for vlog 1 of Paris. Like I mentioned before, if you want to see more of our like initial getting here and our first little peek at the Eiffel Tower, then make sure you follow on Instagram and check out our Paris 2019 in the stories. So, all right, I will see you for Italy tomorrow. Bye, guys.